Hi, this is Ritan. Welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a term and condition page for free within Elementor. Okay, you just don't need to download any plugins for that. Okay, and so let's start. First, we have to create a page. Okay, so add new page. Okay, we have to add a page. Go log into your dashboard. Go on pages. Click on add new. So here you will create a page, add the title, add the page name that you want to create. Okay, term and condition, publish it and have a look. So our term and condition is create now. Now we have to create or find or create a data for it. So it's another simple way. Go to the Google and search for term and condition generator. Okay, when just write here term and condition generator. So you will find a lot of free term and condition generator. Just check it out. Don't go with free try for free and something like that. Okay. Don't go with it because find a simple one. Okay. So this gonna be best. You can free create from this website. You can use this link terms and conditions sample.com and you will become on this website. Okay, your company name, add your company name here and your website name here and the URL of your website here. Select your country, select your state, enter your email that you are using for official and click on generate my term and condition. You will see it will create in just some second. Just copy it from the introduction. You don't need to copy any data. You don't need to copy any coding. Just copy it and control C. Go to your that page, click on edit page and you will see here edit with Elementor. Click on that. Create a column. Select here text editor. Select from here. Control V. Paste here and you will see. Okay. So you will see here this term and form condition have generated with the help of this is just deleting. You can keep it if you want. Okay. Now okay, you have to delete from this side. Okay. So if you want to bold anyone, just select it and bold it. Okay. Select it and it will show like that. Just bold it according to your choice. Okay. It's already bolded. Okay. So you can change from here. You can give them stars. Okay, you can change the color of the text like that. Okay, you can align in this, like align in center, in the middle and like that. Okay, you can do any changing according to your choice. You can in advanced setting you will give them a margin, padding and much more. Okay, from here you can add a form if you want. Okay, so let's work like that. And from here you can select the gap. Okay, so just update it and have a look, and our page is ready just for free. Okay, so how this is, we create the page, and if you don't know how to add this page in menu, watch my menu video from the channel. So I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query and question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take